Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll explain how to see private Facebook photos. So if you've seen websites or apps claiming that they can unlock anyone's private Facebook photos, then here's what you should know. The truth is there is no legitimate way to bypass someone's Facebook privacy settings and view their photos they've restricted from you. And if a photo is set to friends or a more restricted audience, then you'll only be able to see it if you're included in that audience. You can send the person a friend request or ask them to share the photo with you directly. Also, you need to avoid websites that ask you to enter your Facebook password to unlock private photos, because these services may be designed to steal your account information. So there is no secret trick to bypass private Facebook photos, and the safest option is to respect the person's privacy settings. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.